2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.